Here I have RAZER phone and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's hold down on the restart button right here. So let's keep holding restart, and here you can reboot to safe mode by tapping OK. So let me do it. Let's tap OK, and the device is booting into the safe mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, as you can see, the safe mode pops up right here, so now you can check out how your device works without the third-party application. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key and choose restart again. The device is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see, your device is in a normal mode, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.